Hello coders, welcome back to Coder Connects. In this video, we're going to see how to create a chatbot using Groq and LLM, that is large language model. In the previous video, in this artificial intelligence playlist, we see about LLM and neural network, and that is a full of a theoretical class. In this class, we start a project. The first project of ours is a chatbot using this LLM. Without any delay, let me move on to the project. Hello coders, let me start our project. I used Groq and Streamlit. Let I tell the overview of this project. I used Streamlit for the user interface, which is very friendly user for the Python users, and I used Groq. Groq is basically a API providing a cloud based software which is used to get a free API. For example, when you took OpenAI or any others, it will have to pay a billing fees, but the Groq is full of free. Let me start the project using Groq and Streamlit. Let I create a app.py. Then we start code. First, we should import the particular files, which are nothing but import OS, then import JSON, then import Streamlit as Streamlit as st. Okay, it's fine. Then from Groq, this was the major API we are using, Groq and Groq. The installation of Streamlit and Groq is so simple. You can use the command line as pip install Streamlit and pip install Groq. These are very simple, which are available in Python CMD. Now let me create an environment for this project. The creating of environment is so simple. I use Conda to create the environment. Let me Conda create n. Let me give the name of the environment. Let I give chatbot. Yeah, it's fine. Chatbot and Python version. I choose the Python version as 3.10. Then it's creating. I think the command is right. Yeah, fine. It's collecting the packages of metadata. Conda is actually a mini version of Anaconda. If you're using Anaconda, it's fine, but I using mini Conda. Then we give proceed and let me activate the Conda. First we see the environment list. The list of environment are available or these, and now I created a chatbot environment, that is the location will be here. Then I activated Conda and activate chatbot. Yeah, it's activated. Then the base transformed into chatbot. Yeah, let me do some project and we can install any packages in this environment and use freely. Let me start the project. First of all, make sure the imported are already installed. If not, else install these. Then we go to st.set package configuration. That I give the page title and then page icon and layout. Page icon, then layout. These are necessary for the Streamlit to perform, because Streamlit is a separate it's a separate interface. Let a page title as Coder Connects LLAMA 3.1 in chatbot. For you to assist, let me give something brief for you to assist. Then page icon, you can give any logos that you want. I give the LLAMA 3.1 logo, that is a goat logo. Let I paste it. Yeah, it's fine. Then in the layout I have being centered the location because if it is in center it is easy to access. Then I streamlit page configuration. That's it. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Then we go to definition the working directory and load. We can load the directory. First of all, for this definition we want to give working directory as well as this configuration data. Sorry, it's direct, not data. That's fine. Working directory. Then yeah, now we're going to create a configuration data. Configuration JSON file is nothing but it's similar to a environmental file. In this environment file or configuration file we can give the API key. This API key is not visible in the code. Okay, yeah, that I give the Groq API key. The same letters you should mention in this folder. Let us path of direct name os.path.upspot, then it's file. Yeah, the working directory is loaded to direct the path of the file where we located the configuration JSON. In this configuration JSON we give a particular data, that is a config data, where in this config data the JSON file is load, and the load it we should use open function. The open function is nothing but the working directory. The working directory where we give that the JSON file, that is the Groq API key. These full activities are used for the performance of the API key. We just given the API key in the config JSON file. This should be progressed and read by this app.py Python file. Let me give the configuration.json. Here is the directory. Then we move to retrieving the data. We retrieving the API key. Okay, the API key we given in the config JSON. Let me retrieve. That is we used to Groq API API key. Yeah, the same what is the name we given for that API key in config or JSON, the same you should be give on the app.py. It's fine. Let me get the API key. Config data.get in. Okay, the same Groq API key. Let me paste here. We can give multiple API keys in there, but the variable you given for that API key must be similar to this, because otherwise it shows error. Let me move to the validation of the API key. Validation is exist. If not, first we should not. If the API key is not found, we should give the error code, that is the exception code. If not Groq API key, then it should be st.error. st is nothing but we used Streamlit. Everything will be performed in Streamlit. So st.error API key is missing in the configuration JSON. Yeah, it's fine. Then it should be stopped, because if you not stop, the error will be continuously running. Then we go to save the API key to the environmental variable. Yeah, now it's okay. Then we start environment. Then we go to Groq API key where we place the API. Also we should go to the Groq API key. Yeah. So the variable is mentioned in the JSON file that we loading into this Groq API key. The Groq API key in the app.py. Then we initialize. Groq client, the API key. That's fine. Then we initializing the Groq client. The Groq client is nothing but whoever asking from the bots are their clients. Let I paste the try and exception where the client The client is equal for the Groq in the OS where we loaded the Groq API. Should be the function for the client. If the client is not that is the client is failed to load the API key, then it will be the error that st error failed to initialize the Groq client. Then we stop the command and then we move to the chat history. Chat history is nothing but what the command given by prompt given by us and the prompt delivered by the chatbot. Is that if chat history not in session, let we use session state. The session state is nothing but where our answers will be given from the chatbot. If we ask anything about the chatbot will giving the history. The history is already written by the chatbot. So that's why we using the chat history. Let me tell the st.session state chat history as equal to none 9. Yeah, because the API key only producing the chat history. Then whatever, so everything is fine. Okay, history.error. Yeah, okay. No, okay. Let I move to the Streamlit page. The Streamlit page is the interface. We should edit the interface according to our following, because I choose st.title. Oh, sorry, the page title is one line. Oh, okay. Let me take the page title and I paste it in the page title and paste it in the st.title, because this was the title given by the given in the interface. This title is actually in the upside of the localhost. The icon will be mentioned there. Then I display the chatbot where chat history is none, that is present in the session state. For any message in this session state, that is a chat history, will be produced with st session state chat history chat input where it is equal to ask llama 3. So we can use our channel name Coder Connects llama 3. Okay, llama bot is enough. So okay, let me give 3.1. This was the input that will be given in the, like enter a name, enter the number, like that it will be displayed. Then after the input we wait, I think something error. Wait. st.chat history. It's a chat message. Input should be, before the input we should mention the chat message. The chat message should be role. Yeah, okay, fine. Then we give the chat input st session markdown. We should mark down and the message. Then it's content. First we should mention the role, then content. The content should be in a markdown. Then now we go the input file in the input fielder for the user message. User prompt. The user prompt or the input. Let I give the chat input where I already mistakenly written above. Here only it should be pasted. Then if the user prompt, if I give the if iteration, while using it if iteration, I have chosen the user prompt as a variable where the chat input will be performed. Then I put this, because if the st chat message user will be given from the user prompt, then it will then the role and content will be displayed there. Then we should send the user message to the LLM to get a response. Yeah, the role should be a system and the content should be you are a helpful assistant, because we should train this is a particular word to train the chatbot. You are a helpful assistant means it's it perform the full assisting work. That in the try block I give response. This is the important note everyone should must be give this response correctly, because the response is nothing but what the chatbot take from the model and give for us. I choose the model llama 3.1, that's enough. Llama 3, and that is 8b is 8 billion of 8 billion of prompts will be there, and 8192 is a number of tokens we are getting. This was the model I use. You can use any model such as Hugging Face or anything else. Let I give messages equal to messages. Then after try, if it is in error, I think it's over. Then assistance response. Now the assistant response should be choice 0, because we should not know whether the what choice will be given from the API. Then the chat history should be role is assistance, and the content is assistant response. Then again it will be functioning the user prompt. Then display the LLM response. How to display the LLM response is nothing but with st chat history, chat messages. Then in this message we should wrote the assistant response, because where the try block we contain assistant response with 0 choice. Assistant response, it's okay, assistance enough. Steam markdown equal to here will be the assistant response. Yeah, it's fine, okay. Except, then we move to the except. So the try block, the except should be the exception should be the Groq API is not performing well. Let we do the Groq API. How it's not fetching. If the response is not get, Groq API did not perform any in the fetching. The fetching was should be missed. So let we give the exception as here. Then we give a print statement with st dot this error. The error should be like anything else. Error with error while fetching the Groq, the response from Groq. Yeah, it's fine, okay. Yeah, almost the work is over. Let me give the E as the what we give for the exception. Almost there are some error, I think so. Yeah, in the model I miss a comma. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Yeah, now it's fine. Everything was done. Yeah, now we should take the API key. How to take API key? Let I tell how to take the API key. For whether we run the code Streamlit or run SRC, it's inside the SRC app.py. Yeah, okay. Fire and yeah, localhost will be connected. Yeah, something error, I think so. Wait, we will check. Yeah, the error is the same error only. There is no API key, that's why the error. Let I tell how to get the API key. The API key should not be shared for any of you, because the API key and your calls will be recorded by the Groq and the API key. So then only I choose the config.json file for a separate API key. The program is fine, but the config.json file is the error. Let me do the API key. Oh, sorry, there is one performance is missing. Actually, the API key should not be placed like this. In the JSON file must contain curly brackets, and variable should be in double quotes, and also the API key should be in double quotes. Let me run and check. Let I close the previous working load. Let I close it. Then I use code is fine. Let you see this code. Everything is fine. Let me run the terminal, opening the new terminal. The Streamlit is always run until you close the localhost. Let I use the Streamlit. First I activate the chatbot. That is our environment. Then folder. Chatbot Streamlit run src bot app.py. Yeah, it's fine. Let me give the command. Yeah, there will be localhost running. Yes, absolutely correct. It's still running. Yeah, coder connects llama 3.1 chatbot for you to assist. Let I give any prompt such as what is LLM and neural network. Okay, network. I think something error, spelling mistake. Yeah, okay, it's fine. What is LLM and neural network? When I give the prompt, I think it's running. Yeah, it's fine. We're giving the response. Yeah, it's look good. We also ask anything. What is LLAMA AI? LLAMA AI, LLAMA Meta AI. Okay. Yeah, okay. The response is giving good, and this is how we should make chatbot. I think it's fine. Okay. So this is how we can create a chatbot using LLM and Groq API. Let me tell how to take the Groq API key, because I am not shown the API key. Let I tell how to take a key. Let I open the new tab and go and search Groq Cloud. Groq Cloud. In this Groq Cloud, we should go console.groq.com. Then we use playground and we move to API key. Here we should create API key. Then our chatbot is this, and we get two API calls. The two API calls is now latestly we use the prompt that will be recorded. That's why I am hidden the API key. Also make sure that you are having your API key safely. Don't use anything unnecessary prompts that will be recorded. So simple to do this chatbot project. You can also integrate any document embedding. Just to learn this code and do by yourself. Also, I posted in my Go repository, which I given in the description. Use the code and have your API. Then start the project. Also wait for the upcoming videos about these LLMs and other artificial intelligence content. Really, one thing, don't forget to like, share, comment, and press the bell icon for our upcoming videos about this field, and also save the playlist. Thank you guys. Bye bye.